Now, I'm not going to take you all the way down there, but we're in Poplar, North Carolina. I hope I'm saying that right, Poplar. On the river. And true story, right down this way here, there was a man that lived in a house on the hill that was drinking his coffee as the storm water was rising, and he watched two women. Oh, there was a railroad trestle bridge, and they walked out on the bridge to take pictures of nature, and then he watched them drown and die. Yeah, the bridge kicked out while the two women were on it, and they went down this river. They drowned to death right down there, all while he was drinking a cup of coffee. And that is the common story of where we're at as you watch that excavator get in that water. All right. Strong men and women and children of the Appalachians woke up one day to God's fury that had a lot of help by man, and it is devastating. And I couldn't imagine. I start my mornings off with the Word of God, right? With a few phone calls and text messages. But I couldn't imagine starting my morning with the biggest cup of reality as I watched two people I know and love take pictures and then die just right down there. It is inconceivable. It's unreal. It's miles and miles of shit like that. And I'm so glad we got a president and a new leader, because we're going to kick this shit in the ass to get it straightened up. It's an honor, North Carolina. What a sad story. You can't say, I mean, it's just trees for miles and miles. Fluid English. Fluid fucking American English.